Hello students, welcome to the previous year question series of aggregation. In this series, we are discussing the questions which came in CUET 2024 exam. We have already posted the videos in which we have discussed the questions which came in CUET 2022 and CUET 2023. In this series, we have posted 4 parts already in which we have discussed 12 questions which came in CUET 2024. This is the part 5. I am Divyanshu Gupta, your mentor for CUET Food Science and Technology. Coming straight away to the first question which we have is types of proteins which are present in cereals are. So they have asked which of the following types of proteins are found in cereals. So albumin is found in cereals, then globulins are also found, prolamins are also found, and glutenins are also found. So all the 4 are found in cereals. So A, B, C, and D. Third is the right answer for this question. Then next is phenomena in which a substance occurs in different crystalline forms is known as. So this is from the chemistry question. This topic is from chemistry, food chemistry topic. So polymorphism is the phenomena in which a substance is occurring in different crystalline forms and is the same and is having the same chemical formula. Then gumminess is expressed as. So gumminess is expressed as hardness into cohesiveness. So these 2 factors contribute to the gumminess of a particular food substance. Then VACCP system stands for, the third is the right answer for this question, which is vulnerability critical control point. So after seeing all these questions, you might be wondering that these questions are very easy, but still you are not able to guess some of the right answers, and you might be able to guess the right answer, but you may not be able to understand the right question. So for tackling this problem, we have designed a batch strategically for all the students who are preparing for CUET 2025. In this batch, we will be interacting with you on daily lab lecture basis, of which you will get a recording so that you can revise your topics again. Also, we'll provide you mentors from which you can interact daily so that you can clarify all your doubts. Also, you'll be provided sectional test, full length test, so that you can ease your preparation. So if you want to join that batch, you can contact on the number which is given on the screen or the website. It will be straightforward directed to the main page. Then coming to the next question which we have is the order of steps which are involved in the process of beer manufacture. So malting, then the addition of hops and boiling, mashing and wort preparation, and then fermentation. So the sequence in which it is given is the correct sequence in which the beer manufacture process takes place. So A, B, C, D is the correct sequence in which beer manufacture takes place. Then the next question which we have is principal ingredient for curing of meat. So this question is asked from your meat processing unit. So in that we have been talking about the curing of meat in order to increase its shelf life, in order to increase its sensory properties. So sodium chloride is the main ingredient, which is a common salt. It is used in the curing of meat. Then the next question is hops are responsible for the dash in beer. So you'll find that these topics, like the fermentation topic, is not a very common topic which is usually asked in exam, but in this exam they have given 2 questions from fermentation topic itself, and from that fermentation topic, the beer manufacture process, they have given 2 questions. So hops are the substance which are added for the bitterness in the beer. So it is one of the easy questions which are asked. Then dash is a gas which is bacteriostatic at low concentration, which is 8 microgram per ml, but bactericidal at high concentration, which is 40 microgram per ml. So which of the following gases in the options which they are given are bacteriostatic? That means it will allow the growth of bacteria, but at higher concentration it will stop the growth of bacteria, it will kill the bacteria. So H2O2, which is a hydrogen peroxide, is the gas which is having bacteriostatic properties at low concentration and is bactericidal at a higher concentration. Then the next question is sucrose polyesters act as. So they act as engineered fats. That means they will provide your your creaming capacity, your whipping capacity, and your smoothness in the foods after they are added. So sucrose polyesters act as your engineered fats. Then the next question which we have is egg yolk protein contains which of the fractions? So phosphatin, levatin, low density lipoprotein, these 3 are found in your egg yolk. Ovomucin is not found. So ABC is the right answer for this question. Then the next is the oxidized form of oxymyoglobin is known as. So metmyoglobin is the oxidized form of oxymyoglobin. So as soon as oxymyoglobin will oxidize, it will form as metmyoglobin. Then the next question is final viscosity of starch paste increases with an increase in. So the right answer for this question is amylose content. So as soon as the amylose content will increase in the starch, as soon as you will select a starch with a higher amylose content, it's your starch pasting, your final viscosity will also change, and the pasting properties will also change according to that. Then the next question which we have is protein content of all purpose flour is. That means the flour which is used either for your baking purpose, either for your bread making purpose, and any type of purpose if you want to use flour for your cake manufacture, for cookies manufacture. So in that the protein content is 9.5 to 11.5. So that means it is somewhat in between of hard wheat flour and soft wheat flour. Hard wheat flour has a higher protein content around 12, 13 to 14, and soft wheat flour has a lower protein content from 7, 8 to 9. But all-purpose flour is made by combination of your hard wheat flour and soft wheat flour. That is why it is having a moderate protein content, because protein content will be determining the fibers which are made in the end product. That was all for this video. I hope all the questions which were explained in this video were clear. If you still have any doubt in any of the questions that were explained in this video, you can comment down your queries. I'll clarify all your doubts and give you a better explanation. Also, you can follow us on all these social media handles in order to get regular updates about the information which we post on them. They are usually associated with some job posting or any of the exams or like notifications of various types of various FSSI notifications. Also, we keep posting some information related to food or agriculture industry, which might be useful for you as an agriculture or food technology student, because these questions are usually asked in current affairs and in your interviews and in your various types of exams. So it will be useful for you eventually. So you can follow us on all these social media handles. So that was all for this video. We'll soon post the part 6 of this video. This was part 5. So thanks for watching.